25 Best IKEA Hacks. Oh, the many wonders of IKEA! It seems absolutely magical to take an inexpensive and basic piece of furniture and turn it into something grand. The internet abounds with inspirational DIY projects, taking these utilitarian pieces and creating custom objects that are specialized and more utilized. IKEA created a massive following by bringing simple and affordable design to the masses. But some of us are just not happy with that. We see tables that can be beefed up and stained a darker color. We see dressers that need shiny knobs and bun feet or planters repurposed as organizers. It's easy to get overwhelmed with all the options out there, so I've taken the time to round up 25 best IKEA hacks. Narrowing them down was no easy task. 1. VALTER bracket to bedside pendant. Drill a few holes in a wooden bracket and you've got a hanging pendant. 2. Card holders to antique card catalog. Making the new look old was all it took to bring out the style in these wooden drawers. 3. Nuff magazine holders to unique table. This amazing table actually uses magazine holders laid on the sides. 4. Statlig board into book bridge. From a flat board to a book bridge, get the how-to here. 5. Tufted transformation. A mid-century modern sofa gets some high style with tufted backs. 6. Accordion cabinets into a sideboard. Every dining room needs a sideboard. This one is created from simple cabinets with a wooden top and chic pulls added for a modern look. 7. Verm cart into rolling island. This rolling cart gets updated with a cool black paint and marble top. 8. Rast dressers into vintage chest. A pair of rast dressers get reimagined as cute vintage nightstands with some leather and brass. The brass corners and leather-backed pulls step it up a notch. 9. Ribba frame into game box. A simple picture frame is used to make an adult-sized game controller. 10. Spice racks into book racks. Sometimes the best use for something isn't the intended use. Simplicity is key here by using spice racks as storage for children's books. 11. Billy bookcases into built-ins. Surround a few billies with molding and you have a classic built-in library. 12. Verm wine rack into an herb garden. This wine rack is reimagined into an indoor garden for fresh-cut herbs for dinner. 13. Stainless steel pendants into copper. Spray paint is all that's needed to transform these pendants from industrial to rustic. 14. Rast dresser into a desk. This amazing desk started out as a pretty plain dresser. Adding a top, some legs, and paint make a huge difference with an elegant result. 15. Hillis units to wall-length shelves. Do you get sticker shock when shopping at those designer stores? Create your own industrial bookshelf knockoff with simple metal shelves and some wood. 16. Vitz Joe shelving unit into stylish bookshelves. Grouping units together make a large statement with these industrial shelves. Some major styling makes them uber cool. 17. Plain side table into copper and marble. Copper leaf and marble contact paper make this side table stand out as super chic. 18. Separate pieces into an accordion lamp. A bathroom mirror and clamp light are combined to create an accordion wall sconce. 19. Hamper into table. Add a piece of wood to an old hamper, and voila! Instant side table. 20. Grunthal mirror into nautical-inspired mirror. Proving that style doesn't have to cost a lot, this nautical-themed mirror was created by simply adding rope. 21. Tarver dresser into rolling desk. This simple Tarver dresser gets a major makeover in this extensive project. Not for the faint of heart. This one is labor-intensive, but the finished product looks much more expensive and stylish. 22. Barbie lantern into terrarium. This pretty lantern gets a new life as an indoor terrarium. It's a very simple but pretty hack. 23. In-go table into rustic farmhouse table. You'll never believe this gorgeous weathered table started out as a $69 in-go table. The transformation is utterly impressive. 24. Hemness vanity. A little paint goes a long way in transforming this dark vanity into something light and crisp. 25. Billy bookcases into half wall. Billy bookcases are some of the most versatile and most hacked IKEA products out there. Here they are used as a half wall to separate two rooms. The options are never-ending when it comes to creative ways to reuse and repurpose IKEA furniture. Show us your favorite hacks in the comments below.